Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today, I'll be sharing Eid special Gol Tikki Mehndi design ideas. Gol Tikki Mehndi is a timeless and elegant choice, perfect for adding a traditional touch to your Eid celebrations. Let's get started. Segment 1. Classic Gol Tikki Mehndi design. Let's start with the classic Gol Tikki Mehndi design. This perfect round shape with intricate detailing creates a traditional and graceful look that's perfect for Eid. Segment 2. Floral Gol Tikki Mehndi pattern. If you love floral patterns, try this floral Gol Tikki Mehndi design. The central round tikki is decorated with floral petals, leaves, and fine detailing, making it look more artistic and festive. Segment 3. Mandala-style Gol Tikki Mehndi. For a modern yet traditional touch, go for this mandala-style Gol Tikki Mehndi. With multiple circular layers, symmetrical detailing, and delicate dots, this design adds elegance to your Eid Mehndi look. Segment 4. Shaded Gol Tikki Mehndi for an artistic look. Shading adds depth and beauty. This shaded Gol Tikki Mehndi design features soft shading effects, intricate borders, and stylish accents, making it a perfect choice for Eid celebrations. Segment 5. Finger detailing with Gol Tikki Mehndi. To enhance the Gol Tikki look, add finger detailing with small paisleys, dots, and tiny floral patterns. This adds a modern twist while keeping the design simple and elegant. Which Eid special Gol Tikki Mehndi design was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Wishing you all a joyful and blessed Eid.